In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automatic sample submission in Microsoft Defender. If you want a little more control over what gets sent from your device to Microsoft for analysis, this setting is the one you're looking for. Automatic sample submission can send suspicious files to Microsoft to help improve threat detection. But if you'd prefer to disable that feature, the process is quick and straightforward. To get started, press Windows and I on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Settings app directly, which is the fastest way to access the option we need. Once Settings is open, click Privacy and Security from the menu. In that section, look for Windows Security and select it. This area contains the main protection settings for your PC, including virus and threat controls. Next, click Virus and Threat Protection. This opens the part of Windows Security where Microsoft Defender's scanning and protection options are managed. From here, find the section called Virus and Threat Protection Settings and then click Manage Settings. This will take you into the detailed configuration page where you can adjust how Defender behaves. Now scroll down until you see Automatic Sample Submission. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a bit to find it, so just take your time and look carefully through the list of protection options. When you find Automatic Sample Submission, toggle the switch to Off. As soon as you do that, Windows may show a user account control prompt. If that appears, click Yes to confirm the change. This is a normal security prompt that allows Windows to verify you want to make an administrative change. After the setting has been turned off, you can close the Windows Security window. It's a good idea to quickly double check that the change was saved successfully. To do that, just look back at the automatic sample submission setting and confirm that it now shows as off. And that's it. You've successfully disabled automatic sample submission in Microsoft Defender. If you ever want to turn it back on, you can return to the exact same location and switch the setting back. Just keep in mind that changing this option affects how suspicious files are shared for analysis, so make sure the setting matches your privacy and security preferences. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to turn off automatic sample submission in Microsoft Defender.